AI is becoming essential. But classrooms need a clear way to actually make it work.
We hear this all the time. Schools want to bring AI into their classrooms, but bringing it into everyday teaching is where it gets a little challenging. Because AI isn't something that can just be added in as another subject. It has to be embedded directly into the fabric of everything that students are already learning. It changes how they are learning. With it, they need to build, experiment, and create. So where does that leave us? We need a structured way to make AI teachable. Something that makes teachers feel confident and makes learning more meaningful for students. So students aren't just learning about AI, they're actually using it to solve real problems. In this session, we'll show you how and what that looks like in real classrooms. Discover AI with Qubits, empowering future AI developers.